Here is an approved payroll run, ready to be paid. Normally the company pays the staff from its own bank account. But sometimes a director or business owner pays the salaries out of their own pocket, and ZetaFisc can record that too. We click Mark Paid. The list of staff and what each is owed is shown at the top. Down here we choose who paid. This time it was a director, so we pick director or sponsor. Now we choose which director paid. We pick Adewale Okonkwo. The salaries will be credited to his current account, recording that the company now owes him this money. The payment date is already set to today. We confirm. The run is now paid. And it clearly shows it was paid by the director, Adewale Okonkwo, credited to his account.